welcome or welcome back to Trouble with Tish. I am Tish and I be trouble. And I be trouble with a couple of orders, but it's not that bad because it's shopmissa.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget the future and the past.
Alright, so we made an order from shopmissa and another order from shopmissa. Don't judge. They're like a dollar store. It's not that bad. Alright. So I have short hair, but I can't stand having it in my face. So I went in and I bought. I'm going to have to figure out how to do that because that kind of looks maybe like this. I don't know. I'll figure it out. I got me a headband. And then I'm going to see if I can pop a couple of pictures in right here. But I got some more razors from shopmissa. They're the AOA brand. These things are sharp. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop some pictures in here, right? But hold on. Before I do that, I'm warning you, it's kind of gross. I actually shaved the back of my leg off with these razors. I slipped and I fell in the tub and it was sharp. Okay. So, warning, I'm going to pop it up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ah, yeah. Gross. I slipped and I fell in the shower and I shaved the back of my leg off and then it just kept getting worse and worse and worse. And I ended up in the hospital with an infection in my leg. It was bad. So, needless to say, my dad for Christmas thought it was going to be hilarious. Okay, it's gone. Thought it was going to be hilarious to get me an electric razor. Well, the electric razor works really well, except for, you know, it's just not a close shave. I like a close shave. And this, closest shave I ever got, to tell you that. So, I got more refills for my razor. And we're going to be very careful and not stand up and shave our legs in the shower anymore. We're going to sit down and be very careful so that, I mean, I've got a scar. It's gross. Like, a whole scar. It's really, I didn't think it was going to scar that bad. But we feel much better, so no big deal, right? All right. Then I got me some hair clips because, you know, why not? They're no crease hair clips. I have a couple, but you know, I can always use more, right? Alright, so next up, I've been really into like cream products, cream bronzers, cream blushes, cream highlighters, whatever. So I got this Papa contour stick in the shade Fawn. And I'm hoping that it will work for me. But if not, I have siblings that can use it. And then I have an addiction to cream blushes. So I thought I would try out their I Love Dew blush drops. And this is Cutie Pie. And this is Hottie. They look very, very similar, but Hottie is just a little bit darker. Are you going to focus? Thank you. Because I had to have both, right? All right, and then back to the cream bronzer. We got the Venetian Romance Creamy Bronzer in the shade Palace. All right, and this looks actually pretty orange, so that may not work for me. But we will try it. And if worse comes to worse, it was $1. All right. So rude. Camera cut off again. I don't remember what I showed last. I think it was the, I was on the blushes. Okay, so I got the Venetian Romance Creamy Blush in the shade Bonnet. And I got the shade Cake. And because I might have an addiction issue with the cream blushes, I got the shade Tea Party. So we will try those out. So now we're back to concealers and foundations, which I found a whole bunch. So we got the AOA Studio Liquid Concealer, and this is Light Ivory. Hopefully not too light. And then we got the AOA Concealer Stick in the shade Buff. And then this looks like it's going to be really light. It is the AOA Studio Locked Creamy Concealer. That's probably going to be too light. But we will test them out. And then I got foundations. Alright, so we got... This was from Walmart. And so was this. Oh well, I'll put them in here anyways, because whatever. This is the Hard Candy Glamouflage Full Coverage Foundation. It says it wears for hours in the shade Olive. Hopefully that will work. And then we got CoverGirl Clean Liquid Foundation. Oh no, I got these from, I think I got them from Dollar General when we went to the ocean. And this is shade 125 Buff Beige. Alright, and back to the ShopmissA stuff. I got the AOA Studio Perfect BB Cream in the shade Light. Then I got AOA CC Cream in the shade Light. I got the AOA Buildable Satin Foundation. It's a drop foundation. And I got two shades because one looked really light and one looked really dark. I didn't have an in-between. So I got Porcelain and Buff. So we will see which one of these works best. And we will also see if I have to end up mixing them, which isn't a problem, because I mean they were $1.88 or something. Then in my other order, I rather enjoy the AOA lashes, and my mother-in-law likes them because they're really thin band and they're cheap. So I got two of the Scarlet and two in Alexis. And then I keep buying single shades of eyeshadow. So I got two magnetic palettes. I got this one. And then I also got this one. That's what I got from ShopmissA. I've unboxed so much stuff. I get stuff falling over. Alright, so that's what we do over here. We unbox a lot of stuff. And we do some get ready with me's. And I'm starting to do Mask Mondays, and I'm starting to do wear tests on foundations and concealers, which I'm going to be calling Wear Test Wednesday. I don't know what to call things, so I just name them what they are. It's a wear test, and I'm going to put them on Wednesdays. So it's going to be Wear Test Wednesdays. I can speak. Alright, so I'm in a goofy mood. I am going to go on and record one last video, and then I got some errands to run. And I gotta go pick up the kid from school and all that good stuff. So I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day, and I will see you all next time. Bye.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat.